In past 2 decades, there have been significant shifts in the choice of international destination among Indian students. But Germany has not been affected by this. Germany has seen consistent growth year after year in the number of students going there to pursue their education. The world-class education system, the public funded universities which are offering no tuition fee options, and the high standard of living of Germany have been contributing towards this popularity of Germany. But the most important attraction for Indian students is that the availability of employment in Germany. Currently, there are around 7 lakh plus vacancies of skilled workers in Germany. And if this deficit is not addressed in proportionate to the growing economy of Germany, by 2035, Germany is predicted to have around 7 million plus vacancies. So this is a big opportunity for Indian students because there is all possibility that the German government can engage these students in German workforce after completion of their graduation. So Germany is undoubtedly the best destination for Indian students. And in 2025, March and September intake, the students can expect a lot of benefits. The citizenship options in Germany have become easier now. Those people who have completed 5 years of legal residence in Germany can now apply for citizenship. And those students with very good academic skills and good language proficiency of German language, they can do it, get it done it within 3 years also. So a German passport has now become easier. And the students, once they get a work visa or when they get an EU blue card, they can take their parents and parents-in-law also as dependents apart from their spouses. So this is also a very welcoming change. And a lot of Indian students are doing part-time jobs. Most of them are doing part-time jobs. And the minimum wage in Germany has been increased to 12.82 euro per hour. Germany has public funded universities and private universities as well. And the process of Germany, right from shortlisting the courses and universities to the visa process, is not that easy. So you require an expert guidance to do your entire process, right from shortlisting the courses and universities, the application process, the APS process, which is the academic evaluation by the German embassy, and the motivation letter preparation, which is very important in getting your admission and visa done, and also the visa process. So if you are a student from the backgrounds of engineering, science, healthcare or business, and if you want to be in Germany in the next September 2025 intake, contact the ClickEdu team now and get all the benefits which you can avail in Germany.